A very good morning to all the children of class 4 and welcome to your English language class. I am your Shatabdi ma'am and I welcome you for another exciting week for English language. So today is the last and the revision class of negative and positive sentences, which is chapter number 7, and in the last video I gave you some classwork. We will first solve the classwork and then I'll move on and give you some revision worksheet. Okay, so we'll first do the work, this one, that is change the following sentences into negative sentences. Number 1, Ashu is playing with the cat. Number 2, it is a thick book. Number 3, she writes neatly. Number 4, owl sleeps in daytime. Number 5, grandmother cooked yummy fish curry. The answers are: Ashu is not playing with the cat. It is not a thick book. She doesn't write neatly. Owl doesn't sleep in daytime. Grandmother did not cook yummy fish curry. Okay, next. Change the following sentences into positive. Mother did not go to the temple yesterday. Mother went to temple yesterday. Ranja did not count the money. Ranja counted the money. Jenny doesn't get up early in the morning. Jenny gets up early in the morning. I do not play in the evening. I play in the evening. My friends were not absent yesterday. My friends were absent. My friends were not absent today. My friends were absent today. Okay, let's see the answers. Yes, mother went to temple yesterday. There will be gap, check that. Ranja counted the money. Jenny gets up early in the morning. I play in the evening. My friends were absent today. Okay, so these are the answers which I gave. This was the video of the last day. These are the answers which I gave. This CW was of the last day. Now, children, I have some important things to tell you. That is, number 1, please do follow the extra exercise I am giving you, because you have exams which is nearby, and also I will give from those exercises also. So be very careful. Do not lose here and there your CW copy or anything, and I hope you all are copying it down in a particular copy, that is CW copy, or if anybody is having a rough copy, if you want to copy it there, you copy, but please jot down the things which I am giving you from the video itself. Okay, now this is another worksheet. This is the revision worksheet, and this is the last one of see, this CW is also out of the book, and also this CW is out of the book. So you must copy this in your rough. For the revision worksheet, you can copy in your rough, but for the CW which I mentioned, please copy them in the CW copy, because you will be giving exams. Exams will be conducted very soon. So that's it. Okay, now this I will read out the sentences for you. Change the sentences from positive to negative, okay, and vice versa. So number 1, Mohini will switch on the fan. Shalini was not doing her homework. She was washing the paintbrush. The boys are swimming in the pool. We are not watering the plants. Ramesh and Rohan are neighbors. He is not my uncle. Hitesh wanted to buy a nice watch. These girls were absent yesterday. They are not watching the football match today. Okay, once again I'll read for you. That is, Mohini will switch on the fan. Shalini was not doing her homework. She was washing the paintbrush. The boys are swimming in the pool. We are not watering the plants. Ramesh and Rohan are neighbors. He is not my uncle. Hitesh wanted to buy a nice watch. These girls were absent yesterday. They are not watching the football match today. Okay, I will give you the answers in the next video, but till then you will copy these sentences down. You will copy the heading, this is one, and also you will do it yourself. Okay. So children, now I will show you something which you will tell me, is it familiar to you or is it something new? Yes, we all know this, aren't we? We have done this in class 3, and these are nothing but parts of speech. These are what? These are parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Yes, it's used in English grammar. We use different parts of speech to express ourselves, to write, to speak, to read, and to tell something to someone, also for conversations or to converse with anybody. So what are parts of speech? Parts of speech are nothing but parts of the whole speech, or the speech which we speak or write or learn or express. Okay, so let us see what are these. Let us see how many are there first. That is, we learned 8 in class 3. So let us see: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So these are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this is new, that is article. We know article, right? We know that is what are called articles, that is a and the, which is used in front of a noun or a pronoun, and it is also a part of a speech. Okay, one part. So let's see a noun. Let's see the parts of speech now. They are noun, which is a naming word; pronoun, which is used instead of a noun; verb is the action word, very good. Then is the adjective, which is the describing word. It describes the noun and pronoun again. Article, which is used in front of a noun or pronoun. Basically, it is used in front of a noun, not pronoun also. Adverb, which describes a verb, like how is the child sleeping? The child is sleeping silently, like that. Preposition is the position word, where. Where are you sitting? On the chair. Where is the table? In front of the wall, in front. Okay. Conjunction is nothing but joining sentence, like Ram and Hari are friends. Ram is a boy, Hari is also a boy. Ram and Hari are boys. Okay. Interjection, that is, hooray, we won the match. So when you express your feelings with words, that is called interjection. So we will read this chapter number 8, and we'll start with parts of speech, and then we'll move on to noun. So till then, we just did the introduction of it, and then we can move on to the next part. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day. Okay.